This
like
conference will now be recorded.
defined resource planning node, activation of creation and document communication. So in this basic settings, there is another very important object is assign objects. Okay, where you can define your partner determination.
Uh,
Okay,
Kapil,
uh, yes, tell me.
today I don't know
Hello,
why
sorry,
I'm having an issue in the network. Your voice.
voice is breaking. Okay, hold on.
Can you repeat it? I'm facing an issue. I don't know why.
Can you please rejoin the meeting?
No, even if I rejoin, it will iterate, I believe. I'm audible now, right?
Are you rejoining?
Kapil,
Yes, I can
I'm
hear you.
audible? Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
I can.
Okay, okay. Go ahead. What?
Now it is okay. Hello, hello. Are you able to hear me? Hello.
Kapil?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I am saying in basic setting, there is another object is important, assign object. Okay. Through this object, you can determine the statuses. Means you can transfer partners to MRS. You can transfer statuses to the MRS. Okay. So if I expand, if you see here abstract status, define abstract partner statuses. Okay. So MRS have their own partner functions. Okay, so it's like in PM your statuses are there, right? When the
Kapil,
customer, yes,
I'm not able to get it connect. There is a issue in network. Can you repeat it? I don't know why today I'm facing a problem.
can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you, but sometimes the network goes down and it creating a problem. Can you repeat it? What you
Oh,
have told? Assign object.
okay, so through assign object, we can
Then
determine partners in the MRS. Okay, as like in PM, there is a partners, department responsible, person responsible, engineer
Kapil,
responsible. Ah,
I'm sorry, it's not connecting. I will try.
1 minute, 1 minute. Now I will rejoin. Okay. Can you hear me now? Hello, can you hear me? Upendra, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but I can't see the screen.
Okay, okay, let's see. No, I am not yet shared. I will share. You can see now?
1 second. I will use the earphone. So your voice will be clear. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So what I'm saying is MRS having its own partner functions. Okay, as like PM in PM, there is a partner called VN. VN is a vendor. Then
Hmm.
the VW person responsible, right? There is
Hmm.
another department responsible. As like partner function in ERP, there is a partner functions in MRS also. So you have to link this. Okay, let's take example
Mm-hmm.
in ERP. There is a partner function called vendor. Then in MRS, what will be that? Okay, so you have to define it in MRS also, VM. So you have to link that, and based on that linking, system will transfer partner function from ERP to MRS. So if you open here, define abstract partner roles, you will see the customer C for C, customer in work ticket, customer underscore CRM, customer in service order, customer in PS network. Now, if you see here, this line, service order, we have a customer always in CS, we use a customer because we have to provide services to customer. So,
Mm-hmm.
what partner function you are using in ERP? For ERP, in ERP, we use a SP as a customer, right? Sold to party.
Mm-hmm.
So, we
Mm-hmm.
have to link that SP to customer R3 OR. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in PM there is no customer, so there is a only engineers department responsible. So we will use tech first and tech must. Okay, tech first means what? While allocating resources, system will give the priority or tech first. Okay, if you mention your technical first in a plant maintenance order partner tab, system will check that first whether in any or that requester want a particular employee. Means he prefers XYZ employee. If you mention there while creating assignment, system will consider this as a priority. Tech must means what? If you are raising a requirement, okay, there is a problem in plant maintenance production line machine, okay, and I am the requester, I am saying whatever may happens, I prefer Upendra should come and repair that one, right? So I will mention I
Okay.
want Upendra, I must इसी को ही भेजो, you send this person only to repair, okay, that is take first
Okay.
and take must. So make here relevant for demand based resource determination, select that partner function, activate. So relevant for demand based resource determination means whatever be you mention in sales order, that will be taken priority for determination in a MRS. So activate for take first and take must.
Is this is a standard configuration which we do? Or this is like
No,
based
take
on requirement
this, this,
requirement?
no. This comes with the standard. If you wanted to define, you wanted to transfer other partner functions from ERP to MRS, you create abstract partner roles, okay, and you can link. Okay, these are the standard basically.
Mm-hmm.
That now assign partner roles for a SAP NetWeaver. So if you have a multiple backend system like the CRM, okay, then you
Mm-hmm.
mention here CRM or work ticket C for what is called CRM का latest version है सी फॉर क्या बोलते रहे उसको what I'm not collecting there is an application for CRM. Okay, so for that one and for CRM orders you can mention partner function here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
first one is for ERP system, for second one is NetWeaver, SAP NetWeaver. It is basically for multiple system where you are using MRS on one server and CRM is on another server. Okay, that time you can
Mm-hmm.
use this NetWeaver one. Now this is important assign partner function role. Okay, so what I will do, I will link take first this one
Mm-hmm.
to copy. I will take plant. Okay, like okay. So PM doesn't have sales organization, and I will take sorry, VW is a person responsible. So if I mention person responsible in a plant maintenance partner tab, okay. So system will
Mm-hmm.
link this one. This check what is the VW assigned in a plant maintenance order. From that this link, it will transport into the MRS as a tech first. Okay. So if
Kapil, I couldn't able to uh, understand what is exact usage of the node which
usage
you're
of
explaining.
in simple term, it is a linking between ERP partner function to MRS partner function. Okay. In MRS, there is a no concrete partner function like ASP, vendor, department responsible, user responsible, person
Okay.
responsible. Okay. MRS
Mm-hmm.
have these categories, partner function category, take must, take first. Okay. So you have to link this one. Okay. In ERP,
Mm-hmm.
VW means person responsible. But in MRS, what will be that? So in MRS, it will be take first, right?
Okay. And my question is, the category which you're selecting, is it a standard one, or it's like the based on the project it is going to change?
No, yeah, take first and take must is basically a standard one. Based on a project, you can define others also, no problem.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So again, we will do the take must also. Take must, employee responsibility. Yeah. So it means if I mention ER into the plant maintenance order, okay, system has to assign this ER. Let me go into plant maintenance order. Okay, then you will understand. Where is my partner tab in 1 minute.
Try with the standard one if possible. You will have all those tabs.
लेकिन उसको असाइन करना पड़ता है ना प्लांट को पीएम
Mm-hmm.
the partner tab in इसमें निकाल दिया.
The configuration itself is not exist. You have to define the configuration then.
Yeah, I know. I already defined this one for her, but somebody removed that one. This time. Okay, now it is coming. So here, if you mention a partner function, user what is person responsible, and you given here number. Okay, let's take example. And the person number does not exist. Okay, okay. Now while creating order, you mention this one VW, right? You mention this function. This means requester want this person Avinash to come to repair. Okay. So when
Mm-hmm.
you say what system will do from this VW, system will determine what is mentioned against VW. So VW के against tech first we assign, right? So tech first will
Mm-hmm.
be determined in a MRS. So while creating assignment, system will try to create assignment for a employee number
Okay.
this one 834 as a preference.
Mm-hmm. That assignment will put in that employee number, in the sense to that work center which is having an employee number.
So whatever be here you have mentioned for that system will prefer to create an assignment. So, and that employee should be there in a work center also.
Mm-hmm.
Even cross also possible, even not in a work center. Okay, system will create assignment. So if this employee is from another cross organization, if that employee 80034 is from CS department, still system will allow
Mm-hmm.
that, it will add automatically in the planning board to that particular resource and create the assignment, will create the assignment.
So it we can make an individual assignment to the particular person also.
You can do individual also.
Okay.
Okay.
It's for the sake of my doubt. If that person is in work center, then it will assign to work center. If it is not in the work center, then it will be assigned to particular person.
It will download first resource because see you are planning for a work center maintain, okay, but this
Hmm.
8,834 is belongs from service work center, okay, and
Mm-hmm.
you mentioned here that it should be preferred. So what system MRS does? MRS automatically downloads, okay, load that resources from another department, and this individual live will come and it will assign the particular task.
Okay, I understood. But my doubt is, if that work
Hmm.
center is not linked with MRS, how it is going to work? I can give an example. Like the work center which is for the which will be linked in MRS is only the
Hmm.
work center which is with respect to the maintenance, correct? The person
Hmm.
who is going to do some activity, they will have the work center. And the
Okay.
work center which is we are mentioning that person is not linked with MRS work center, then how
Hmm.
it is going to fetch?
No.
Why?
There.
Because the work center, yeah, you
See.
can check if the work center
See.
is
See.
available
No.
with respect to MRS, then only we can see those work center data. Otherwise, we can't see it, right?
No, it's not like that. Okay. So even if you do not transfer the resources, okay, to the MRS, still system will download that one, okay, and will do the assignment. Whether it is not question of that is from which work center, okay. So if you transferred the another work center to MRS, that is well and good, okay. Still it will allow you to load the resources and assign that. I will show you that one, okay, in process time.
Okay.
You will
No,
execute
it is
you.
it's right. Why? Because what I understood, I'm explaining you. Maybe I'm wrong.
Hmm. No, no. You see, basically, whatever be the process related down, you can just note
Mm-hmm.
down. Okay. So whenever we
Mm-hmm.
will run what you call is processes after configuration, we will run
Mm-hmm.
processes. That time
Mm-hmm.
we have to run at almost 20 processes. Okay, what is the mention the tech first, mention the tech must. If there is a no resources available, still I want to allocate that particular resource. That everything we will
Mm-hmm.
cover in process. Then you will understand more. Okay. Determine customer based on a partner role. Okay. This is mostly we use in a CRM, not in ERP. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So based on an object, you can determine. Customer determines. So you wanted to see the who is the customer for a service order or who is the customer for CS order. Then how to determine in MRS, but it does not have any impact. It's for your information purpose. Oh, this order is for this customer. That's it. So that's so PMCS order. Let's take SP. So in CS order, whatever be the against partner function SP, okay, system will determine that one and it will show you the work list. There is a work list called in MRS. Okay, yesterday I shown you, right, day before yesterday. So left side at bottom corner is a work list.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me check which abstract or concrete we have to mention. Related one submachine that you can assign company but not easily to enable such information submachine SAP ERP you must assign concrete ERP. Okay, then it is okay. SP. Okay, then very much important is the status. Okay, so as like a partner, there are abstract statuses, MRS own
Okay.
statuses. So you
Mm-hmm.
have to link that statuses with ERP statuses. So if already
Mm-hmm.
I open in CS order, if you see, I created the status profile. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
STRT, stop scheduling. So
Mm-hmm.
STRT is a ERP status, right? ERP object status.
Mm-hmm.
But MRS, what will be the status? So for STRT, we have to link MRS statuses. Okay, so if you see here at downside, you will find that. See, order start. Okay,
Okay.
so actually it is not an item.
Yeah, we
It,
can do at item level also, right?
yes, you
Operation
can
level,
do
sorry.
at operation level also. So here you will find the operation level starting with OP is there. Okay, but this order
Mhm.
stop and order start are header level. Okay, then see here it is released. If you set status release to PM order, okay, it will set in MRS as a release this status.
Can you open the PM order so that we can see the status? Still, I did not get support from mm, concern.
No, it's a very simple. You have to link ERP statuses with MRP. Okay,
No, I
so if
understood, but
hmm,
for this the order which you're showing is having
hmm,
two user status. One is start and another one is
hmm,
stop, right?
stop, yeah, right.
But you have mentioned one more status called released. Where it is?
See, release will be here. Okay, that is a system. If
We
I
can
click on this one, if I click
okay,
this
we can
one,
link with the system status also. It means
so you can link system status, you can link user statuses. Okay, so
mm-hmm.
you can link any status, no problem.
Okay,
User status, if you want to start with the MRS order start status, possible. If you want to release status demand created, okay, now it is created and I just save. Okay, now still you want to transfer that one, there may be a status for a demand creation also. Okay, uh, see created.
okay. Then if we don't have the status in MRS, then we
Hmm.
can't dispatch that operations are ordered to MRS, right? It
No,
is not
it's not like
interlinked.
no, it's not like this one. Okay, so it's entirely depend on configuration. Let's take example for start status. I said schedule it. Okay, means transfer it to MRS. Then only system will transfer. Okay, and if I say stop, so my order will not be transferred to MRS. Okay, and
Uh, Sorry, Kapil,
the
I did not get this concept.
okay, let's take example. I mentioned two statuses, right? One is start and one is stop. Okay. So
Mhm.
if I mention in MRS configuration, start equal
Mhm.
to schedule the order. Okay. Or a transfer
Okay.
transfer order to MRS. Okay. If I said stop, stop means what system will do? While transferring that order data from ERP to MRS, system will check what is the status, stop. And in MRS for stop status, it is said do not plan. So it will not reflect to you on a planning board. Okay.
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 That for the user status, I've understood. What about the system status? When it is
System. Okay, okay. System status have a different purpose. Okay. System status also you can map as a start. If it is released, okay, then only it will be transferred to the MRS. You can map that one also. Instead of user status, you can map a system status also. Okay. So let's take
which is
example another
better one?
start user status is better one. Okay, it's
Mhm.
depend on totally your business. Some people say that okay, transfer orders to MRS those who are released. Okay, if it is not
Mhm.
released by a plant maintenance head, then there is no need to schedule, right?
Yes.
If somebody just created plant maintenance order notification and created order and just left that, so release
Mhm.
status means what? Okay, we accepted this maintenance task, release, my person will come and repair. That is the meaning of release, right? So
Correct. Correct.
once released by the plan maintenance head, it will transfer to the MRS and then only MRS able to create the assignment. means able to allocate resources. If it is not released, system will not transfer it to the MRS planning board because it is
Correct.
not released for work. It is just created. So it is an
Correct.
indication to the planner that okay, it is released. Now I can assign. I have to assign particular resource or OE or it is B. Okay,
Okay.
you got
Let
point.
me understand what. Yeah. Let me explain what I understand. Whenever the status is interlinked, when we run the
Mhm.
planning board, it will try to fetch all the order which is having the status of released, right?
No, 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 no. Not at the time of running planning board. At the time of transfer itself, in background it checks. Okay, what is the
Yeah, yeah, that is
status?
what. Like
Hmm.
when I enter the T code PLM or planning board, then
Hmm.
when I execute it, it will bring all the work centers and at the same time demand which
Hmm.
are needs to be seen in the board, right?
Hmm. Yeah, right. Okay. So
Okay.
let's come back because this is important. Based on the status, we have to play a lot of things. Okay. Again, this assign status to use demand from network. So if you wanted to link CRM statuses with MRS, then this network option. Okay. Now assign statuses for a demand. Here you can link. See here. Now I will make a one entry here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So my abstract status order MRS का order status MRS order status where is order start. Okay. So plant is my plant is 5300. Okay. So PM doesn't have sales organization or so yes sales organization. You put your order type. YR01 is I created. Status of origin. You can mention here. You said now which statuses we have to take. Okay. So my start status is demand header user status है वो क्या है STRT STRT means start language English. Okay.
Okay.
Again,
Should I pause it?
sorry.
So, I'm just sake of understanding. What is that order start? It's a standard status in the MRS?
No, here I mentioned na
No,
user
no, not
status.
that one.
Uh,
No, abstract stats.
Abstract status
Yeah,
is
that
we defined it right. It is a standard, but you can define as much you want. Okay, it's a depends on you. So SAP has delivered a standard. Okay, SAP has delivered 117 entries. Okay, so you can define your
can we
own.
the
Sorry.
new one? Shall we create a new one and we shall we try it? So it will be easy to understand how system perform.
Oh, so go to the abstract define status. Define here anything. Z order STRT. It define like this one, and you can use this one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want, but there is no need to define, most of the status is already there. Order start, order stop, demand created, demand release, demand confirm, demand close, technically complete. All are mentioned. Okay. Now you can assign it to the, now whatever be you mentioned there in first step Z, you can take here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I will go with the standard. You can define your own. Simultaneously, you can do one thing. Whatever we I teach for particular day, okay. Simultaneously, you can try to configure with your own values whenever you have
Yeah,
time.
that is what I've told. I don't have an access. Still, no, they haven't provided the access. I need to talk to them to get an access.
You
I'll try to
can take.
configure whenever I.
But see,
Second.
problem is that if you do regularly, once I teach, if you see the system and do it on yourself, then it will be better to understand you. So if
Yeah,
you,
correct.
I will teach you 1 week, and you will try to exercise it after 15 days. Then
Get it.
you may forget that.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. So you can take access from him as much as possible. Then mention your order type here. My order type is YR01. Okay, from where this status is coming. So I define this status as a user status, right? Demand is nothing but my PM order. So if you see here, it is a user status, STRT. I want to transfer this one. I don't want to transfer this system status is here. Now, that is the reason you mentioned here demand user status. Okay, and then mention your STRT. STRT is you define because it is a user status. I define that one.
Correct.
Then put a language. Now I will take a order stop. Now if I set stop status for this order while creating this order, what will happen? System will not transfer this order to MRS because I put indicator stop. No need to send to MRS.
Okay. One
Okay.
second.
Hmm.
Okay. Can you go to the origin?
Hmm.
Can you explain me what the assignment and demand item? Demand item is operation, correct?
Yes.
What is the assignment?
Assignment status is basically we do assignment in MRS. Okay. So from MRS, you wanted to transfer some statuses back into the ERP. You can use assignment status. Okay. So assignment user status is also there. Okay. It is for basically from and through. Okay, only the from where it is originating. Let's take example. There is a status assignment status or operation status in MRS. MRS basically not planet, planet, and fully planet. Okay, fully planned means what? The demand require 8 hours. Okay, I given a resource for 8 hours. That means fully planned. Now, that fully planned status from a MRS demand item, you want to transfer it to the operation. Okay, at item level. Then you can transfer. Assignment status is basically will not come into the any PM order and all these things. Assignment status is usually basically in if you are integrating mobile direct with the MRS. Okay, you there is a user statuses in MRS too. This is for indication to planner. That is mostly useful for a planner. In if you say like ERP MRS, only header system status, header user status, operation system status, and operation user statuses can be transferred to ERP to MRS or MRS to the ERP. Whereas assignment status is basically assignment is always in a MRS. Okay, so there you wanted to indicate something for that particular assign based on a status, then it is for a planner, not for a end user who created the created the demand. You got my point?
Yes. Okay. Let me explain the same what I understood. If I set the assignment status when I change when I do the assignment with some status in MRS, it is again going back to reflect in ERP, right?
No, 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 no. Assignment status will not reflect. Okay. Assignment status is independent only for MRS. Okay. It is not for transferring from here to there. Only A, B, C, and D will be transferred from here to there.
how will I know that when I do assignment, how the system will understand that this assignment has been done in ERP?
So system will understand automatically. Okay, if you do the assignment, system will understand you done the assignment for 8 hours. 8 hours required, 8 hour assignment you done. If you try to assign 4 hours, okay, only there is a requirement of 8 hours, but you assign the 4 hours. System will understand it is 50% only assigned. That is the for that is the purpose there is a MRS, right?
No, no. Okay, my doubt is
Mhm.
the MRS planning is not owned by planner, right? But the
Yeah,
ERP, maybe IW32 and 33 is the end user, correct?
correct.
When I created an order in IW31 for 10 hours, the
Okay,
planner has dispatched only for 5 hours.
okay,
And as an end user, the one which I have created an order, how will I understand that this order is not fully dispatched to or not?
okay. Now see, basically when planner has dispatched the resource for 5 hours, okay, so it will be identified based on statuses, okay, partly planned, partial planned, okay. Now,
Yeah,
if
where is
you
that
want.
status? Where we can see the status in ERP is my question.
Okay, okay. So if you state here, so in STRT stock, you need to define statuses, right? Hold on, I will show you. Okay, here you can mention other statuses also. I just mentioned STRT stop. You can mention fully planned, not planned, partially planned. Okay, so whenever you do the assignment, system will assign their status automatically, or you can assign manually as a partially planned. Then while transferring back MRS to ERP, system will set here status partially planned. Or you can go into the operation. Let's take example, 8 hours is required. Okay,
General data.
operation
General data.
status. No, no.
Okay.
Here you can
Okay.
define status profile and link that statuses. Here you define partial planet, fully planet, okay, then not planet, okay. So let's take example. We will create one status profile.
Shall we create on yeah, operational status so
Yes,
it
yes,
will link?
yes, yes. I'm doing same. There is. Let me save this temporarily. Okay, back.
We need to create that in SPRO, plant maintenance, operational status.
रुको रुको जरा सा रुको. Oh, yes.
कपिल,
हम्म.
रोज आपके घर में बिरयानी बनता है क्या?
क्या क्या?
रोज आपके घर में बिरयानी बनता है?
रोज क्या?
बिरयानी
नहीं, बिरयानी
हर
टाइप का.
बार जब या नहीं, हर बार हम लोग जब क्लास चलाए वो टाइम पे पीछे से मिक्सी का आवाज आता है.
हाँ नहीं, मेरा मेरा खुद का कंपनी है ना, एसएपी सर्विस प्रोवाइडर का.
ओके.
तो बिल्डिंग के बाजू से आता है ना वो। अरे स्टेटस का कौन से इसमें है रे? तुम्हें मालूम है कि जनरल डाटा में रहेगा। हाँ,
you there there
इधर।
there.
So you define user status. Let me, I already defined one. Okay, now hold up. Y M R S 0002. Okay, PM slash CS with virus. Okay, now go inside, put that uh, uh, fully, yeah, put it. Okay, to define three statuses, what is the specify and remove position?
Just mention 10 there there status 10 20
Hmm,
30.
ये mention नहीं करना, position नहीं mention करना, important.
No, not here in the left side of the there. We have to mention here in the first line. Just
No, no,
first
wait,
line
wait.
here.
I got
It will
it. You
not
what
work.
you are. No. I got it where you are saying, but I don't want to define any position for that one. Yes. Slash CS applications with yes application. Yes.
Kapil, in the first
Hmm.
line,
No,
you
we
just
don't want to
mention
define. I understand you are saying here, but we don't want that. Okay, let me define.
okay without. Okay.
Without status, I want that one. First, partially P PLN part. Because I am giving the priority, that is the reason.
Check for initial.
Maintenance operation, maintenance order, PMCS operation. This one?
No, it should be PMPS, not PPPM. There should be
Good.
maintenance operation.
Checking. No, that one only I think. What's position? PM PPPM ऑपरेशन
Okay,
बराबर
okay.
है.
Right, right.
दूसरा कोई नहीं है ऊपर. ठीक है.
Right then. Hmm.
Save now. Now you can assign that. Okay, save it. Technique. Done. Now come back. Now go to the MRS configuration. Go here assignment. Now first you have to check whether the abstract status for available. Fully granite, partially granite. So it's there. Plan full, plan over, plan under, plan empty. Okay. Now we will link the statuses. New entry. Okay. So take a status.
These are all MRS status, right?
These are the MRS status. You have to empty. Plan empty. Okay. Plan 4300. Right. Order type
Is it
YR.
necessary to mention the
Sorry.
order type? Otherwise, is it
Not
necessary to
necessary.
mention the?
Not necessary. If
Mhm.
you not mention, then it will be applicable for any order type within the system. Now you
Okay.
take here. Now you take here demand item user status. Okay.
Mhm.
Now what is our user status for not planet NPLN, right?
Mhm.
NPALN. Where is the NPLN? NPLN, yeah, not a planet. Okay. You search like this one. LPLN. Got system header status. We don't want system, we want user here. Okay. Now you will find. You got it? Not
Mhm.
planned. So link that. Now you define another one. Plan part. What is that plan part? Plan under. Okay, plan under. Miss ours is YR01. Then D demand item user status. What is our PPLN? Parsley planet. Here. Now plan full. Take this one. Go down, go down. Plan full. Demand planet fully. Means 4300 YR01 demand item status and fully PLN. Okay, here. Now we need one more status that is over planet. create,
Okay.
define. O OPLM. Done. Now take over planet. OPLM. Okay.
Okay.
Now save it. Save. Now we define two header status and four operation status. Now come back. Okay. So can we stop now? This is enough now.
Yeah, yeah.
Basic. No, no, no. One more important knowledge there. So next is assign work center types to demands. So I told you on first meeting, right? So
Uh-huh.
item category having three will be transferred as a resource planning node, work center of resource planning node. Okay, and item category 5 is a set as a work center of technician. No, so it is mentioned as a resource planner. Okay, so it means how system will link, how MRS will identify this work center is linked with the resource planning node organization unit. So based on this one, so based on a category, it can be transferred, and then it will determine. So oh, for this organization unit, his category is three, and for the work center which is we are going to use, that is also three. Means it is a resource planning node.
Okay.
Okay.
And the scenario which you one told regarding if the person is not assigned in the work center to 003, it is going to fetch it, right?
It will fetch. You put that one.
If
We have to
003 if 003 is not is not configured, then it is not going to fetch it then.
it will not going to fetch it. No, see, fetching the resource from different department, different organization is a different thing. Okay, that is actually that is not a configuration. That is a process. Okay, so
Mhm.
I will tell you that when we run the process, you just note down somewhere. So while running the process, you can ask me that one. You can remind me. So I
Okay.
will explain. Done.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye bye.
Bye.